So, Akhil, Ian, we are going to ask each other a question. We did a live video a couple of weeks ago. Loads of questions came in from it that we didn't manage to cover on the live video, so we thought we'd cover some of them now. You're going to ask me one, I'm going to ask you one. 3-part series. This is part 1. The first question that I'm going to fire to you is obviously around stamp duty. It's the buzzword at the moment in the property market. 31st of March, it comes to an end. We're about 26 weeks away from that, which means half-year mark. Most mortgage offers are about 3 or 6 months. So for people at the moment, if they're trying to find that dream home or they're panicking about the timescales and the fact that that's counting down week by week at the moment, what can they do to get themselves ready for when they find a property? What documents do they need to have in place? What checks do they need to do? And how can they help you really speed the process up?
Perfect. So as Ian, you hit the nail on the head there. The key here is you've got a deadline. We've got 31st of March that you need to complete by.
Yes.
So let's work backwards. Mortgage offer is usually valid for up to 3 months or up to 6 months depending on the lender, but let's go with the worst case that the lender only issues the offer for 3 months.
Okay.
So Mr. Client's put an offer on one of your properties, Ian, at Avocado Properties. The vendor has accepted the offer. They then come and see a broker, either before or after, hopefully before. The client then comes and sees me, says, Akhil, I've put an offer on one of Ian's listed properties for, let's call it 500,000.
Yep.
Below the stamp duty threshold, and he or she are a first-time buyer. If they're employed, I need a passport, I need a driving license, I need 3 months bank statements, I need 3 pay slips, the latest 3 months pay slips. I also need a fact find and some other regulatory documents, but I'll leave the boring stuff to another day. If you are self-employed, the lender and I will be asking for 3 documents if you're self-employed, and that's your full tax return, the tax calculation, or the SA 302, and the tax year overview. And they've got to be for the up to the latest 3 years.
Okay.
If you've done the 2019-2020 tax return, please get them in as well. If you haven't, a lender might potentially ask for an accountant's reference and forecast the 2020 figures. Okay. The key thing here, guys, is that if you are looking to take advantage of stamp duty, which is ending on the 31st of March, get the offers in ASAP, engage with a broker like myself, so we can first do the research, understand the parameters of your income and expenditure, get you the right deal, and you need to complete, as I said, before the 31st of March to make use of the reduction of 0 stamp duty for up to £500,000 for those first-time buyers. And for those properties that are looking to buy additional properties, whether you're a homeowner, you've got a portfolio, it's still a saving because all you're going to pay is a 3%, which is above the 500. So it's a game changer. Make use of it. Government's put an incentive in. Do the right thing. If you find the right property, now's still a great time to buy property because there's a huge pent-up demand. We've done it previously in previous videos. Huge pent-up demand. You're seeing properties go on the market. You and I are on the same floor. So you put a property up on Monday, you've got viewers out on Tuesday, and I've had offers from you in the same week as well. So there is huge demand for properties. Offers are going in, viewings are happening. So don't wait. Make use of this time.
Yeah, definitely. And no one wants to be that person on the 1st of April that just missed and potentially cost 15 grand.